How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
You gonna step over here and talk with me?
Yes, sir.
So, step over here. Put your hands behind your back for me. Put your hands behind your back for me. Don't.
On December 17th, 2023, at a Dollar Tree store in Florida, a man did what he shouldn't have done and filmed a young woman without her permission.
He's standing right to my right.
So tell me what you saw.
He took it out, jerked it, and had his phone like this, while I'm like this trying to get something from the top shelf. But as you can see, I'm a little, like, you know.
Okay. And you said he's wearing a black Scully?
Black Scully, from what I can see, black shirt, white shorts.
Huh?
He's shopping.
Am I shopping?
shopping.
No, ma'am. So, black shirt.
He just went through the house. He was right here.
Okay.
He ran that way.
Hey, man, how you doing?
Good, how you
You
doing?
gonna step over here and talk with me?
Yes, sir.
So, step over here. Put your hands behind your back for me. Put your hands behind your back for me. Don't. Do not move. You understand me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Get on your belly now.
Yes, sir. Can I call my girl?
Get on your belly now!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your fucking stomach.
Wow. Can I call my girl?
Shut up. Shut your fucking mouth.
Yes, sir. I'm on probation, man. I had to.
All right, be quiet. We'll get to that in a second. You got him?
Oh my God. I'm going. I'm kidding.
Stop.
I'm not resisting. My hands right here. Good, man. Hey, man, could you help me? Could you grab my phone? I'm not from here, man. Please, I swear to God, I will cooperate. I am cooperating. Could you keep me up, please? Please, please.
Wait 1 second.
Yes, sir.
You got any weapons on you?
No, sir.
All right. Put one foot this way.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, sir.
You get to get your pass next time.
I had to use the restroom now.
What are you doing?
My knees hurt. I'm so sorry.
And delete that picture of me off your fucking phone.
I don't have no picture of me.
Let's go this way.
Where'd you park at?
I'm parked over there.
Huh?
I'm parked over there.
Can you call my girlfriend, please? No, man. You can't, please.
Spread your feet. Your feet.
Oh my God. Yes, sir. Oh my God, I'm done. I'm done. I swear to God, I'm supposed to go to jail. I'm for at least a year, man. I swear to God.
Calm down.
I need help, man.
Calm
Can you just
down.
call my lady. That's all I'm asking for.
We'll figure that out in a second. I'm telling you, chill out.
That's all I'm asking for. That's all I'm asking for. Please.
You got any ID on you?
No, sir.
No, no.
Mount Dora 440 Lake.
Go ahead.
You got one detained.
I called it in.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Want to hold them so I can search them? Yeah, I still got to search.
Stop fucking moving, dude. You got blood on your arms. We're trying to get.
You need medical?
No, sir. Yeah, I think I need medical. I do. I'm going to fucking jail, man. I'm on probation for.
What?
We got the cuffs on him.
I'm
I just
asking
called
for God for
50.
help. I'm going to jail for fucking Christmas. This is Christmas time. They're gonna hate me. I'm never gonna have a family again. I'm losing my family. I'm losing everything.
Jay Jensen was ultimately found guilty on both charges. He was sentenced to 120 days in jail